Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can link Acuity scheduling to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my site and I have this page which literally just has this Acuity scheduling form, and I'll be showing you guys how you can connect this. Now, Acuity scheduling is, I'm pretty sure, a product by the Squarespace dev team themselves, so it is already integrated into Squarespace really neatly, at least as of version 7.1. Now, to actually connect it, what you want to do is click on Edit on the page where you want to add it. I'll just delete this scheduling block just for this tutorial. And now to actually add and connect everything, you want to click on Add a Block, scroll down until you get to Business, and then click Scheduling. And that's going to add the Acuity scheduling connection block. Now, you're going to want to double click this, and here, because I'm already connected to my account, it connected automatically. Might happen to you, however, most likely you are going to need to go over into Acuity, and you'll have a segment where you're going to need to copy, or rather paste, the connection URL. And if I go over into Acuity, it looks like something like this. Once you get to Acuity, you need to get to the main page and click on the scheduling page link, copy it over there, and then go back to your page and enter the URL wherever it is needed. And that should pretty much be it. Once you're done with that, click Save. And as you can see, this is what the Acuity scheduling block looks like, and it is automatically connected from there on forth. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.